Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
One of those that every roof should have is ventilation. A lot of them, the old dormers, the whirlybirds, but I've always just been a fan of straight ridge vent.
Yes.
If you've got a pitched roof.
Yeah. So we definitely encourage people to install like a ridge vent, because we've seen that it's been very effective for a lot of our customers that are using it. We still do obviously have the turbines too, and we do have the dormers, but if we can put a ridge vent, that is definitely going to help with your ventilation of your house. And that's something that, in Arizona especially, that's very important, because, it gets to being 120 out here and you don't have that proper ventilation, it's not going to be too good. And then not only that, you're making your AC overwork, and there's, quite a few factors when it comes to that. And
a ridge vent eliminates a penetration, really.
It does.
And hot air rises. So
yes.
If you've got proper intake at the bottom, it creates natural airflow in your attic. So you may not feel it personally if you're standing in there, especially, like you said, when it's 120 and it's outside and it's 140, 50 in your attic. It doesn't feel like it, but that air is moving through there.
It is 100% moving through there. And like I said, that's a simple upgrade that we can do for you. And it's not, it's pretty cost effective as well.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.